Hi, it's Lindsay McMillin with Clark Wealth Partners. I have with me Jacqueline Wilson Rasmussen. She is an insurance agent at the Wilson Insurance Agency. She's going to share with us today a little bit about home and auto insurance and some of the common questions that come up. And we're going to talk about coverage and all of the things. Hopefully, we'll be able to answer many of your questions today.
Hello, thanks so much for having me here today.
Absolutely. Okay, so how often do you recommend people review their coverage, both auto and home?
Okay, well, generally you renew your policy each year. So every year you're getting a new packet of renewal paperwork. And so we certainly recommend everybody take a look and make sure everything looks good. And if you have any questions, if you've made any changes over the course of the year, purchased any new jewelry or anything like that that needs to be added to the policy, we certainly want to know that and make sure that we've got that added on there. If you've done any remodeling in your home that would increase the value, those are always important things for us to know so that we make those changes as well. So that's always an important thing for us to know. So certainly, personally, it's important for you to review it on a regular basis.
Right.
For us within our agency, we're always taking a look at those renewals as well. We see as they come in, and we're certainly trying to monitor them, make sure that they look accurate as well. And certainly in this industry or this time when the rates are increasing as they are, we try to be aware of that and make sure that it looks within reason, and make sure that it looks like a reasonable rate. Unfortunately, right now, all rates are going up, and we should all be expecting that, but we try to make sure that that is something within reason.
Yeah.
We recommend, if you would like to come in and talk about your renewal, and if you have questions, call the office, have a conversation, and we certainly welcome that if you have questions about your coverage or if you'd like to make changes to that.
Perfect. And you are essentially a broker, an insurance broker. So you work with many different insurance companies. So you can, what I love about that is that you can provide the best fit for your customer, for their needs, for their, cost, for their budget, for their what they want to spend.
Yes, we write with over 10 different companies, and we compare to make sure that the coverage is the coverage that you're needing at a competitive premium.
Right.
So we're not limited by one company. We're, really your advisor and getting the best that we can for you.
Yeah. Whereas if you just go with, say, another like an independent,
a captive agency that's just limited to their single company.
Correct.
That's all they have to offer.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's great. And you guys have been in business for many years. So, and you've had such an established relationship with all of these companies. So you have the utmost confidence and respect and know that they're going to be there for your customers and that you can provide them.
Absolutely. Absolutely. If we had doubts about them, we would not be writing.
That's right. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming here to do this. It's actually been really fun. I've enjoyed it. But if you have any other questions or would like to ask Jackie any questions, here's how you get a hold of her.
Absolutely. Like I said, Wilson Insurance Group is located here in Shiloh, and you can reach me at the office. 618-632-8900 is the best way to contact us.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely.